To start using the valve island, please pay attention to the wiring of the power supply. The cable is an M12 connector with 5 pins. Pin 1 and 2 are for 24 volts of logic and power. Pin 3 is for the negative comment, and pin 4 is for grounding. To avoid any possible ignition problems, it is very important to connect both power pins. If power supply is missing at pin 1, the valve island will not turn on. If power supply is missing at pin 2, the valve island turns on, but the lack of supply doesn't allow the valves to activate. The first LED on the top of the CX4 shows this error, which can be seen on UV-IX as well. The correct ignition is indicated by a green flashing light.